Hey gang, welcome back. Now, in this video, we're going to be looking at CSS selectors. Now, a CSS selector selects HTML elements that you want to style. Now, this can be done in 5 ways. Alright, so let's look at the first one. The first one is the CSS element selector. Now, if you want to style an element, you just write the element and then you give it the style you want. So let's change the color to blue, and then I want to align the text to the center. Alright, so you see that has taken effect. Now the second method is the CSS ID selector. Now if you look at paragraph, we've given it an ID of para. So let's style the ID. How do you style this? You use the pound sign and then you say para, and then okay, we want the color here to be green, and also I want to align the text to the center. Alright, so the third method is the CSS class selector. I remember to style class. If you look at H4 here, it has a class of heading. So you use the dot and then the name. And then let's style this. We also want the color here to be blue violet. Let's choose this. And also we want the text to align at the center. Alright, Alright, the fourth method, this is the CSS universal selector. So if you want to style all the elements at the same time, giving it the same style, you use the asterisk. Alright, so let me comment all this out. Alright, so let me refresh this. You see that it has gone back to default. Alright, so you use the asterisk sign, and then you style this and say I want the color to be green and to align it to the center. Okay, so you see that all of the elements here will be affected by the style. So you see they've all been affected. Alright, the final one is the CSS grouping selector. It's almost similar to the universal, but this might just be for a few elements, not all the elements. So if I want to style just H2 and paragraph, and I want to give it this style, I can group them together by doing H2, give it space, and then paragraph. So you see that only heading 2 and paragraph will be affected. H4 will not be affected. So if I refresh this, comma, refresh this, so you see that only H2 and paragraph has been affected. So these are the 5 ways that you can use CSS selector. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.